All right, good evening, race fans. Scooter's Garage, sgr-performance, coming at you live once again from the shop. And so we've got Casper. We finished up the transmission series. Transmission's working fine. Got it all topped off with fluid. So tonight's episode is, and this has been covered over and over and over again, but it seems that we've had a few folks come through our shop, and they've got 4th gen FBody cars, the Firebird, the Trans Am, and the Camaro. And we had a guy, as a matter of fact, come in a couple nights ago. He was running on 7 plugs, and he says he tried to tune it up. He got all 7 plugs, but no matter what he did, he couldn't get that back plug, the number 8 plug. So we're going to cover a quick tech tip tonight on the way I learned it when I worked in the dealerships. So let's turn the camera around, grab a little flashlight, and we'll give you guys a quick rundown. All right, so you'll notice we've got the battery disconnected, the passenger side coil packs off the top of the engine. And why do we do that? So first off, these cars, as you may be well aware, they're very electrical. And yes, you have the key off. Yes, you're not doing anything around it. But you don't want to run a risk of grounding anything out or accidentally shorting something out. And then next thing you know, you shorted out a coil pack or something, shorted out some kind of ignition module, or worse yet, your ECM, and then you cause yourself major problems. So disconnect the positive side of the battery, leave the ground. You're going to need a 10mm socket or a 10mm wrench. You take off the mounting points on the rocker cover or the valve cover. So in this case, if you look, now that we've taken it off, we've got all the room we need back in there, and we can get to the number 8 plug. That'll save you a lot of time and headaches, because we've heard a lot of guys, oh, well, my friend's friend's friend, and you go underneath it and you swivel and you swivel and you swivel. Trust me, this will save you a lot of time and heartache in getting multiple swivels. It takes you about, well, the first time you do it, it'll take you about an hour. Once you get it down, about 20-30 minutes, you can have the battery disconnected, have the coil packs off, and you can literally get down to where you can change the plugs in a 4th gen F-body in about 20 to 30 minutes. Hope that helps somebody along the way, especially if you got a 4th gen F-body. That's just a reminder. Like I said, I know this has been covered numerous times, but apparently over the years people have forgotten it, or as new guys come in and they pick up one of these old 4th gens and they're not sure what to do and they can't get all the plugs changed, or they go to a shop and some shop charges them insane amounts of money to change the plugs. Well, now you know. Let us know if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see. Now we're going to get the plugs out, and stay tuned for part 2. We're going to show you our favorite plug to run in these old LS engines.